Hey guys, just want to show you guys my finished iPad install. Alright, let's check it out. Still got a factory door chime working. Use a Skosh interface module. Got it all painted up. Full movable bracket that I modified from a 13-inch TV bracket. Got AC controls relocated. Alright, let's show you how it works. Got this iPad holder from Best Buy. Keep it secure while it's not in the car. Alright, let's see. Full tilt iPad slides in, automatically charges, got the docking station built in, full tilt towards the passenger as well. Alright, got the iPod, tilt towards the driver as well. It's a little tight, got it all suede in here, make a nice tight fit. Got audio from a Pioneer Bluetooth deck that I have underneath the passenger seat. Got AM FM radio still. Push source again. Gonna go straight to old iPhone 3G. Got demoted to my iPod. Got full controls. Got track up, track down. Got volume. Got source. Got phone answer. Got phone hang up. And I got presets up right there. Got full control. Push source again. It's going to go to the iPad. Can't play too much of that music. Copyright issues. But pretty much it. Got, honestly, probably a good 120 to 150 hours in this. I mean, I lost track of time. I just did it on my downtime that I had, and I mean, honestly, Pep Boys rattle can paint. I mean, this thing turned out pretty good for first iPad install I've ever done. Got lights, got AC still working. This honestly was a pain. Extended 24 wires up through the A-pillars, not the easiest thing in the world. Also got it pre-wired. I'm gonna end up putting a radar detector too. Probably gonna go with the iPhone. Cobra made an app that will let you do the Cobra radar detector through your iPad or iPhone. Nice little interface, but got full GPS too. TomTom GPS. Of course, you got to jailbreak it. I'm not gonna pay $50 for that, that's for sure. Pandora. Got the Wi-Fi 32 gig iPad, and I just tether my phone using MyWi on a jailbroken iPhone 4. Pretty much it. I mean, let's take a look at the deck that I put in. Got the Pioneer DEH 6200 BT. Got CD using the auxiliary in for the iPad. Yeah, even if if I ever do update to 4.2, which does give support for iPad to be used like an iPod. Even though I will get control from the steering wheels, I still don't think I'm gonna do it, just because it locks your iPad out and it forces you to have to use your steering wheel controls, which I like to have full control over it. Using aux in for iPad, USB, ran the USB extension for the iPhone. Let's see, problems I ran into. You guys might have seen my other slideshow. I didn't really want to do a video. Don't really have the time to be videoing all my work I'm doing, but problems I ran into. No, it pretty much went smooth. I mean, I learned that you do have to put this bezel on before you do your fiberglassing, otherwise, because this bezel's meant to flex, so if you just start fiberglassing, this bezel's not going to snap on right. So learned that the hard way, but you know, easy fix though. Besides that, oh yeah, the docking station, if you guys read the description on my slideshow, that was a big, like a 3-hour diagnosing problem. Excuse me. What I ended up having to do was I used had to use a hardwire power cup to use a iPhone or iPad charger that has a USB that goes to 12-volt DC, and instead of using one that just has a 30 pin coming straight out of the cigarette lighter, couldn't use that, because what was happening was, with the generic 30 pin charging, it was trying to feed audio through the 30 pin connector instead of feeding audio through the 3.5 millimeter, and took me a little while to figure out why I wasn't getting audio, but quick solution. I just had to use the original Apple 30 pin charging station or charging cable, and that solved the problem. But pretty cool little deal. Nice to have the tilt for the passenger, but that could get annoying because it is painted and they always put their filthy hands on it. But thanks to Soundman, give me a nice cool idea. Also got that little bracket idea from another guy I seen on YouTube doing it into a Jeep, I believe. So thanks again for watching. Hope you guys like it.